This morning I check this pool where I've invested some. So as you can see in this pool, I've invested $967. My total rewards right now, I started with 61 SPADE coin, and including rewards for last 7 days, I have about almost 66 coins. But the problem is that value of the SPADE coin is going down, and right now it's $10.15. When I invested this, it was $15, and as you can see, even went up over 16, and since then, last 3 days, it's just going down. Right now it's on 10. My idea is that maybe it's good to put more money in this pool. Even logic would tell you, no, you're losing, man. Everything, the shit is going down. So let's go through a process. What I need is some coins on a Matic side that I can use, like USDC or Ethereum, that I don't have enough here. So let's try to transfer some USDC. You cannot transfer it straight to Matic, but we can try transfer it to Ethereum side, and then from Ethereum side to Matic. So I'm gonna go to my Coinbase account. In my portfolio, find the USDC coin. I have $1,000 here. I'm gonna transfer half of it. Confirm here it's USDC. I'm gonna send 500. Here's the address. So this is my MetaMask Ethereum network wallet. Optional message for Matic. So I'm going to transfer it later to Matic. Pay with this coin, pay the fee. So it's going to be over 500. Let's see how much is the fee. The fee is $4.11. So I want to send less. Make it 495.89 cents. That would equal this many USD coins. Fee is $4.11. Total $500. Send to this address. That's the key. You don't want to mess up the address. And when you enter the confirmation code that is sent to your phone, the funds are sent. This match. Now we go to MetaMask, and immediately see it's instantaneous. This is the miracle of modern banking, the way it should be. Try to do that with your bank account. Try to do this, send to other bank. Try this instantaneously. It doesn't work like that. It's 3 to 5 business days. I tried it to fund my Coinbase wallet. I tried it from my checking account. Takes 3 to 5 business days. So money is on this side. Step 2 will be to transfer it now from Ethereum network to Polygon network. How do we do that? We're gonna use this Polygon wallet that you can start from clicking on a bridge asset on a quick swap, or just the address is wallet.matic.network. That is connected to your MetaMask account on Matic network. So here's the link. You can read it how it works. There's all description and instructions how you do it. Important is to follow the steps exactly. Move funds from Ethereum to Polygon. So now we have this almost $500 USD coins. We want to move them from Ethereum side to Polygon. Click here, and it tells you You see, if you click or type, it doesn't find it. Why? Because my MetaMask is on Matic network. You have to change to Ethereum network. Go back here. Now, so choose the token that's on Ethereum network. It's USDC. USD coin. Click max, and you want to send it to Polygon side of your MetaMask wallet. Click transfer, moving funds. Says it's gonna be 7 to 8 minutes, but usually it's much faster. So in this process you have abnormal Ethereum fees, like you see here, $16. But what can you do? That's the price of doing business. But on a Polygon network, on this side, it's zero. So $16.92, that is $17 to Ethereum on $500. That is why Ethereum is going to go down and Cardano is going to be the winner for much lower gas fees. And that's why I'm doing this investing on Polygon Matic network with 0.00 fees. Now you have to approve this gas fee. I don't have enough for a gas fee, so I need some Ethereum on Ethereum network side. Going back to Coinbase. So in my Ethereum wallet, see, this is a $sign. You have to switch that to Ethereum if you want, and I'm gonna send the 0.02 Ethereum, and that is like $66. But I need to send this for fees. It says it will be there in 10 minutes. But as you can see, we have already instantaneous there. Let's go back to our Polygon wallet and continue this transaction. Hopefully now moving funds from Ethereum to Polygon. It says 7 to 8 minutes. Continue. Gas fee $15. It's little less than it was 5 minutes ago. Continue. So Ethereum network to Polygon network, POS bridge used, estimated transaction fee on this side, on Polygon side 0, because that's the good guys. Confirm the deposit. So you can see that on this side we don't have a USD coin anymore, it's zero balance. And when we switch to Matic, it's still not showing, so it's that 7-8 minutes wait. So we go back to the Polygon wallet, and you can see here transaction in progress, deposit of 497 minutes ago. It's still not completed. You can view the transaction on Etherscan browser. You can track your stuff, and basically it says status success 7 minutes ago, confirmed, and it looks like it's completed. Let's see in the wallet. MetaMask on Matic. Yep, we got it. 495.89. The only loss was some Ethereum for that $16-17 fee. That is abnormal fee. That's why that Ethereum is working on change. So, what's the goal here now? Well, we're going back to Polygon Farm and doing something stupid. Let's compound this. Confirm. I am here with 65.843 and I'm doing something crazy, so we need more SPADE. I decided I'm doing it. So exchange, and your MetaMask is on a Matic side, and we want to buy, to switch our USDC 495.89. We're gonna change it to SPADE. And we're gonna get 48. We have just to confirm with this 0.04 fee. Let's invest. Go to staking pools. So it already knows that we have this SPADE. I'm going to do max, confirm, 0.1 penny fee. Compare that to $17 fee on the same amount, Ethereum. What the crooks. So here's the new balance, 113.8, almost 114 SPADEs. And what needs to happen is for SPADE to go up from current price, and you can see it slowly start going up. I'm satisfied if it's $12, $13. Then I'm averaging my original buy at $15 and this one at $10. So that's the goal, and we did it. So I'll let you know how it works in a week, and it all depends on the price of SPADE at that moment. Let's hope it starts going up. It's a gamble. Hey, wish me good luck in this. Adios.